Hello and welcome to Standside with Cosmetics Business, live from In Cosmetics Global 2022. I am here with Provital and being joined by David Manzano, Research and Innovation Manager at Provital, and Siham Buharir, who's Marketing Manager. So Siham, in early 2020, Provital unveiled a new corporate identity. So tell us, why did Provital decide to rebrand?
Well, we believe that taking care is taking action. And it's just like our products, Care Active and Care Motive too, as they are dedicated to skincare and hair care. It's our commitment. It's our company's commitment to ethical and sustainable development. We care about the planet. We care about the communities. We care about humanity, from our internal team to the final consumer. That's why we wanted to give visibility and expression to this powerful purpose.
Fantastic. And David, combining nature and science is very much at the heart of Provital's ethos. So could you tell us maybe a little bit more about your innovation process here?
Yes, first of all, I would like to mention that we have a very strong R&D team consisting of highly qualified researchers, and this is the core of our innovation, really. So we constantly search for new publications in relevant scientific journals, especially articles and papers leading with skin biology and physiology. But not only that, we are also looking for information about the plant's biochemistry and also other natural resources. So that inspired us to search for new compounds and new extracting methods to test, to develop our actives. And also, we are developing strong capabilities in terms of analysis, internal analysis. So in addition, we are also using omics data nowadays. We are using transcriptomics, bioinformatics, data analysis, artificial intelligence and algorithm to process data, big amounts of data. And this is giving us a very strong capabilities in order to understand what is the efficacy and the science behind the products we develop. We also attend scientific and other this kind of meetings, but also exhibitions like this, which are very interesting in order for us as scientists to understand the trends of the market. And with all this idea, collectively and in collaboration with our marketing department, we decide what are the best options to develop a new ingredient, or the best ingredient possible as we can.
This is the Sustainability Corner at In Cosmetics Global, and I am here with Clara Vigo, Provital's Product Manager, and Emilio Rubio, R&D Project Manager, to talk about Provital's recently launched Ethic Skin ingredient. Now, I believe Ethic Skin was developed around this award-winning sustainability initiative based in Mexico. So how is Ethic Skin contributing to environmental and social improvement among Mexican communities?
Well, Provital had previously collaborated with Mujeres Ambiente under the ABS philosophy. But with Ethic Skin, we went one step further by being the first cosmetic active ingredient supplier of obtaining an internationally recognized certificate of compliance for Nagoya Protocol. Under this protocol, we signed an agreement with the communities for a sustainable access to the plant, and also for fairly compensating them for their labor and their traditional knowledge.
Yeah, and that is why we can claim that Ethic Skin is more than a multifaceted ingredient. It is because with this project behind, Ethic Skin is broadening the limits of sustainability and ethics in the beauty sector. To achieve that, several partnerships had to be formed in between academic organizations or private entities like Provital, government agencies, and of course the rural communities. So we're so proud after all that work that we are beginning to see the benefits of this project in the form of new businesses, new research, new employment, new technology transfer and capacity development opportunities for the women, for the female rural producers, which are the main part of these communities.
We are now at the Innovation Corner, and I am joined by Lara Cueva, who is Provital's product manager, and Miguel Eso, who is in vitro manager. So, Leira, I believe Provital has a brand new ingredient today. Could you tell us a little bit more about what inspired it?
Yes, we have Scalp Up, which is a body volumizer that enhances body contour like bust and buttocks. It is an active ingredient, SMART, which has pro-adipogenic effects, patent pending, and demonstrated for the first time with transcriptomics. That means that it's capable of modulate half the gene that changes during adipogenesis. That means 3,500, and that responds to today's demanding consumer. But also it responds to eco-conscious consumer, and it comes from organic blackberry, that it's Cosmos certified, 100% natural ingredient. It is also halal certified, and it is vegan compliant. And to end, it also responds to inclusive beauty, as it can be used in products also for men and for women that are looking for volume and firmness.
Fantastic. And Miguel, tell us maybe a little bit more about the technology behind this ingredient.
So, okay, we at Provital we made a strong commitment to bioinformatics and big data. So, for example, now, as Leire said, we can study the transcriptome, which is measuring every single gene in the cell. In this case, the adipocyte. Okay, so for example, now today, thanks to the transcriptomic analysis, you don't need to choose what mechanism of action to look into when you analyze the efficacy of a new product, but instead, like I said, you measure everything. Because of that, with Scalp Up, we measure every single gene, and we found thousands of genes of the pro-adipogenic program of the adipocyte that were being modulated by Scalp Up. But not only that, because we also found unexpected activities that were initially unexpected, and that was very interesting.
Fantastic. Well, thank you for talking us through Scalp Up, the new ingredient from Provital there. And a huge thank you to all of Team Provital for joining us today.